Today I'm going to take you through our second Swarovski collection of all time. We have some amazing pieces, and I have two of my favorite home office peeps to model them for you. So first up we have Carla, and she has this really cute off-the-shoulder shirt. It says "No Bad Vibes" with crystals from Swarovski. It has this really cute lip graphic. You can wear it off the shoulder, scrunch the sleeves up. This looks cute wearing to class or just around town with jeans, leggings, super versatile. And her leggings feature this really great heart print, and on the side have heart crystals down the leg, and on the other leg we have the heart crystals and also a fully crystallized Zumba. She's also wearing some of the new pieces of jewelry in this collection. There's some really great jewelry. We finally came out with some stud earrings. You guys have been asking, and now we gave you earrings in gold and in silver, fully crystallized. And she has a little necklace that has a lips logo with gradient crystals in different shades of pink. And this necklace also has a really cute bracelet that goes with it. So cute matching set in silver, necklace and bracelet, and looks great with the earrings. And next we have Coco from our amazing marketing team, and she's rocking our Zumba open back tank. It has a fully crystallized Zumba logo on the front, and on the back has this really nice open back detail. Looks great layered with any of your Zumba bra tops. And her leggings are a high-waisted crop in our premium suplex fabric, nice compression. And this time we are featuring a multicolor crystallized Zumba logo. So we're using orange, hot pink, yellow, and blue crystals. They really shine bright in the light, and in the sun, they really shine. She's wearing the earrings in gold. So again, whether you like gold or silver, we have amazing options for you guys. And I'm wearing the new Zumba Dad Hat. So this is a more fitted style hat. So sometimes we make snapbacks. They're a little bit of a wider brim. This fits really cute on the ladies. Guys, you can wear this too with the fully crystallized logo. And this little baseball tee has the nice crystallized zumbito. And for the leggings, these are my favorite Swarovski leggings I think that we've ever done. They feature multicolored crystals all the way down the leg and slashes on both sides. They're high-waisted, so they're nice and tight around the waist and hips, just where us ladies